Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is the AirTag from the Apple brand. So indeed this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. And obviously for this part here, it gives you guys the option to purchase 1 pack or 4 pack, and they do give you guys the option to customize it if you guys want to as well. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. So we're gonna open in the bottom part right here, and you want to take it out. When you guys first open it up, this is basically what the bottom part looks right here. So let's take it out. So inside right here, they provide guys some instruction manual and also some warranty card as well. So definitely refer to this piece of paper right here if you guys need to. But right here, if you can see, we do have the AirTag. So when you guys open up, this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first take it out. And like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is a 4 pack. So if you guys get the 1 pack, it'll definitely look a little bit different. And for all 4, the ones I got right here, I did customize it. Let me actually check out each one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the first one. If you can see right here, it is customized. And then this is basically what the other side looks right here. And for each one of these right here, it's all nicely wrapped up. So you guys need to peel out the wrapper first. So just like this. And you see right here, for each one of these right here, you need to actually pull it out. Once you guys pull it out, then the product will definitely activate. But here is basically what the product looks like on this side. And here's what it actually looks like on this side right here. If you can definitely see the reflection on here because it is a high quality material that they use on here. And you definitely see the Apple logo as well. So that is the first one I got right here. Let me show you the other 3 as well. Alright, so here is the second one. If you can see, I customized it to have a dog option. And this actually looks like on the other side right here. Here we have the third one. If you can see, this one has a little cute face on here with some hearts. And if you guys turn the other side, this actually looks like on this side right here. And then for the fourth and final one right here, if you can see, we do have a heart design. And then this actually looks like on the other side right here. So obviously, if you guys want to actually customize it, there's a lot of other symbols and other shapes as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But if you guys don't want to customize anything on here, you don't have to. But basically, you can see right here, they show you guys instruction on how to actually set up product. So all you need to do is turn on your Bluetooth and then pull the tab right here. And once you guys do that, you can definitely start pairing the device. So I think for this test, I'm gonna take out the one with the finger option right here. So let's pull the tab right here. Alright. And you can see on my phone right here, it definitely shows the AirTag instantly. So you want to connect it. And it'll give you guys the option to name your AirTag. And basically once you guys do that, it basically connects it onto the device right here. So basically once you guys finish that step, it shows you guys the location of where your product is. So if you guys want to put this onto your keys or wallet, it'll show you guys on the actual app right here. I can't show you guys what the screen looks like because of privacy issues, but definitely the whole setup process didn't take that long. But once you guys finish connecting everything on here, you can definitely go to the Find My Friend app, and you can definitely look for your keys under the item tab. So basically on the Find My Friend app right here, you can see in the bottom part right here, you basically click on the item tab right here, and that way you guys actually find your device on here. And basically on the top right here, it'll show you the location of where you guys actually left the keys or whatever. And if you guys want to go even deeper in terms of where exactly the key is, you guys actually click on the AirTag option on the actual phone. And on the page right here, you can see they give you guys the option to play a sound on here. Or if you guys want to actually find it nearby, you can definitely press on that button right there. So instead you actually press that button right there, it shows you guys where exactly it is. Not just on like Google Maps or whatever, which is definitely pretty awesome. So basically show you guys how far you guys need to walk to the AirTag, not only on the map, which is definitely pretty awesome. So that way you guys don't have to worry about losing anything, and you guys will know exactly where everything is. And then if you guys want to play the sound on here, you can definitely do that as well. Alright, so definitely see the product on here definitely does work. And basically for the AirTag right here, there's no way to actually recharge it. The way how you guys actually replace the battery on here, you guys want to push it down, and you guys want to turn it counterclockwise. And once you guys do that, you can definitely see the battery inside right here. So basically the battery that you use inside right here is a CR2032. So if you guys have other batteries, you can definitely replace it on here as well. But basically once you guys put the battery inside, you guys can close it back up, and it's all set. And also for the battery life on here, they mentioned how it should last you guys around 1 year if you guys use it correctly. So basically after 1 year, then you guys need to replace the actual product. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these AirTags right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have trouble finding a key sometime, if you guys misplaced it or if you guys lost it, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it because it's very accurate in terms of showing you guys where exactly the key is, not just on the map, but also show you guys how far you guys are from the actual key as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.